and something which you can remember for your lifetime, that this was a moment, this was a time, this was the place, this was the event, and how you, on a scale of 10, you expected 6, 7, and you got 9, 9.5, because 1 or 0.5 you leave for something much more, something much better to come, employed in place for you, in store for you. So these are some of the experiences which I wanted to share and through this video, and I thought I'll quickly put down the points.
It's okay. They won't even understand what you said.
वो क्या राइट जाना पड़ेगा, लेफ्ट नहीं जा सकते, राइट ही जाना है.
I'm so sorry.
So to make your journey successful and the way you want it, plan it out. Like I made my plan. This is what, being a financial planner, one has the nature to plan everything. My wife kept saying, don't plan. I don't want to know through pre-recorded videos on YouTube what to do, what to expect. I want surprises. So she's opposite to me, surprises. So I had kept some surprises for her. So what I'm trying to, and watch my other videos where I've put down my experiences and my surprises also, and I've talked about those experiences and surprises also. So those experiences make you better if you are prepared for such things. Then you know that what all is in store for you, and accordingly you are prepared for such experiences, that you know that I am expecting all of this. Especially plan your journey in the way that what time it's going to take for such journeys, and would you like to say something? So planning such journeys helps you to, I did Google search, I did YouTube search, I planned the each day journey. I put it on Google to take down the views. I took down the time, what it takes from one place to the other. And what you see right now is a trip down from my hotel in Taj Hotel to the airport. A journey of about an hour 15 minutes, depending on the traffic. And so we did. I did Google search. And I estimated the travel time between one point to the other, then to the other, then to the other. So I had a fair idea. I took snaps of those road trips, how much time it will take from one place to the other, so that you can optimize your time, because time then becomes precious, and you can optimally plan your day, what time you want to start, what time do you plan to get back, and that way you maximize your travel between one tourist spot to the other spot. And another thing is, what do you want to do on such a road trip? Whether you want thrill, whether you want adventure, whether you want relaxation, whether you want guided tours, whether you want nothing. So plan your flavor of your meaning of holiday accordingly. What I did was that I had
View?
okay नहीं मैं ले चुका हूँ.
I don't disturb you. Yeah.
So plan your trip accordingly, that I wanted A place to B place. I had found out that in Goa, what are the places I would like to visit according to my taste, according to my spouse taste, your partner, your friends, and come to a conclusion that we all like to go for thrill, we like to go for nightclubs, we want to go for eating out. What kind of experience you want? Because Goa offers you kind of all experiences. So you make your own package, what you want. What do you say?
Yeah,
How did you like it?
very nice.
So how we wanted was that it should be memorable, it should create memories. We had kept a day on our anniversary as special day, doing just nothing, a completely free day. And both of us agreed we'll stay at the hotel, we'll enjoy the beach walk and then a lavish breakfast, and then we'll spend again time walking around the hotel. Then we'll go to the spa, have a good treatments there, go to the steam, have a nice steam together with after the massage, and enjoy those moments. And then once you are back to your room, and again you can plan your day how you want it. You want to go to the shopping, you want to go to the local stores, you want to see what's around. So keep a day free for doing just nothing. It could be the next day, or it could be one day after your main trip. Because if you've gone out for one day, you know exactly what is it in store for you, what time you should leave and come back. And things to buy should be on your list. Places to shoot photographs should be on your list. What kind of thrill and adventure maybe the hotel offers. Like this hotel was offering trekking, was offering a lot of activities done by the hotel at a nominal price of 200-500 rupees per person for one activity. Look out for what sports activities are possible depending on the weather. So this wholesome idea of this video was to tell you what you can plan, how you can plan, make it optimized, and create memorable journeys for yourself. Do not go by what people tell you, or rather what you've seen on YouTube videos or your friends have told you, because it is their bias, it is their opinion, it's their experience, it's how they wanted it. What you want, you should develop your own plan, you should develop your own checklist, you should all have your budget, you should know what makes your family happy or your spouse happy, you should know what will bring you more moments of joy, because money cannot buy everything, but sure, money can give you the time and the opportunity, the chance to click photographs, to look at things around the way you want to spend time on such a vacation. And these are experiences which you can cherish for your lifetime. 5 years later, 10 years later, you would like to recall what happened when you came here. If you go into the same place, like we have come here after our first journey here, 25 years later we have come, although we have come in between with our kids.